Yuck, let's cry.
Maybe we should come back down. I always signal you when I'm feeling low.
Kurt and Erica, may I now ask you to answer truthfully the following question. Erica, tingnan mo yung mga mata ni Kurt. Erica, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Kurt, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Mag-asawa, congratulations. I hope na tani ara ko da galing kay anong tana.
Ikaw na lang ta. Alam na natin yun. Basta happy ako si Rapi.
No, malayo ka lang.
Okay, so mag-retouch muna kami. We cried so much. Oh my gosh, nakakaloka.
This is so emotional for us.
So yeah, see you guys later.
Dito lang ako kung gusto mong kumain ng paborito mong yakiniku. Pupunta tayo dun sa mall. Hindi ako magsasawang pagluluto ko. Kahit yung kimchi ko, sa'yo na.
Kurt, do you take Erica here present as your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Wow. Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do. Hindi.
Thank you, ate, kasi alam ko wala si Papa. Ikaw yung naging tatay namin. Thank you for supporting us. Alam ko hindi mo responsibility. Pero thank you, ate. Thank you. You deserve Kuya Kurt, and he deserves you. Huwag mo na kami intindihin, ate. Kaya na namin. Thank you so much. Mahal na mahal ka natin. I love you.
Wala na ako masabi kasi lahat for being a good daughter, sister, ikaw yung naging father of the family. And papasalamat kami lahat sa'yo. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Nag-meet kasi kami sa Bumble. Online dating. Nag-meet kami, first time kong gumamit ng Bumble. Actually, first few days walang alam ko na siya na yan. So yun, the rest is history.
Love your wife too.
Yeah. My love, before I met you, I was lost and alone. I carried the weight of my past heartbreaks, struggling to find peace after relationships. But I healed, I grew, and I held on to hope that love, the kind that is true, steady and kind, would find me. Then I prayed. 2 weeks after you showed, ang bilis sumagot ni Lord sa akin. Ang lakas ko sa kanya.
Bakit kaya napili nila dito sa Bohol na magpakasal? They told me it's because of the church might be historical. It is the plan of God that in this historical church on the Our Lady of Assumption in Dawis, a shrine, that in this wonderful location of love, be part of that historical saving act of God. And that is no other than love.
And today, in front of the people we love, I make this promise to you that I will love you with all that I am, in all that I will become. I will stand beside you in the sunshine and in the storm.
Mahal ko, andito lang ako. Araw-araw kang uunahin. Araw-araw kang mamahalin. At araw-araw kang pipiliin.
I love you. Thank you.
Brothers and sisters, let us now welcome in our Christian community a newly wedded couple, Mr. and Mrs. Kurt and Erica.
I will honor, respect, and cherish you not just on our best days, but on the hardest ones too. I will choose you always in this lifetime and beyond. You are my answered prayer, my greatest love, and today my greatest honor to be your partner, your safe place, and your home. I love you. Okay na po. Uwi na tayo.
Sakit.